Okay, well this is going to be the final run for this exact version, since I have the new flight control unit sitting at home waiting to go in. There's going to be nothing flash. I'm basically going to record a trial run, some practice at using the drone, because I really haven't had too much practice. I've had more practice crashing than actually flying. I'm going to have the FVP, I am going to have the FVP hooked up, but I won't be using the goggles because it's just too hard to control. On the other hand, I will be recording what it sees. My objective is to gently practice until I run out of battery. Objectives and my flying skills tend to not mesh very well. So let's give it a go. You can keep it running, Bryce.
Okay.
Point it at everything.
Yep.
Okay. First thing is first thing will be the camera. I will now start recording. Hopefully. Okay. It's now recording. Battery power for the main hooked up. And
Oh!
okay. Let's see whether I lost her. On the other hand, no.
No, it managed. It survived. It's bounced.
Except the camera bounced off.
Oops.
So keep it running. I'll reconnect the camera. Yeah, it's still battling stability.
Off number 2. Camera's come off again.
Yep. Okay. On the other hand, right.
Up. Oi! Bit close there.
Keep it going. The camera came off again. It's not very solidly mounted for the simple reason that I don't want it to break. So
Camera keeps coming off.
Yeah, well, I keep bouncing it because it's not stable. It's not really stable. So, I'll point it this way so the camera will see us.
Hello, camera.
Back up.
I am.
Okay, nothing broke.
Sweet.
It's stable-ish. However, the battery came out, but okay. I'm actually pretty happy it survived so many crashes. I'm looking forward. Up. Now, this is dumb. Tell me I'm dumb.
You're dumb. Why?
Because I'm sticking my hand in amongst the blades.
You idiot.
It's also pointing backwards, which is why I'm having trouble controlling it while trying to see the camera. So what I need to do is to consider that it actually is going the other way.
Well,
I'm impressed.
yeah.
I'm impressed. It's been bouncing beautifully. So I reckon the core design of the drone itself is good. It's the lunatic flying it
With no depth perception.
Yeah.
Whoa. No.
Out of battery. Awesome. Well, it survived. It's definitely been entertaining, but it's worked. So what's going to happen now is, with nothing actually broken, aside from a very severely bouncing camera, it's going to get modified. The flight control unit, everything plugs directly in, so as far as the hardware goes, it's not a big job to change it over. Unfortunately, I am going to have to completely reprogram it in Better Flight or Clean Flight and that's what's going to get interesting. However, I may show some video of printing some of the parts, a little bit more of the history of creating this unit, but it's flying, and the core of the Garad 500 works. It's a perfectly valid learning device for somebody that wants to learn the drone and learn about 3D printing.